Alright, this is part 4 of video 4 of 4-look last layer. We're going to skip this guy and we're going to move on to these guys. These are the 3 cases where you have your cross, you have 2 corners oriented, but you have 2 that are not. These are the only 3 things that'll happen. So you're going to have 2 guys off to the side. I call this the Chameleon. This kind of looks like a bow tie. You have 2 diagonals. I call it the bow tie. And I call this one Superman. Just 2 in the front, headlights in the front only. This one gets its own video. So, with these 2 cases, the algorithm is exactly the same, except one of them is going to start with an F prime move, and then you do the algorithm, and it's done. And the other one, you do the algorithm, and then you do the F prime move at the end. That's the only difference. So here's the algorithm. It's 2R, fat R, U, R prime, U prime, fat R prime, F, R. So, and then you're going to do an F prime in that case. So you're either going to start or end with an F prime. So again, it's a fat R, U, R prime, U prime, fat R prime, F, R, U. Or you're going to start with an F prime, then do your fat R, U, R prime, U prime, fat R, F, R. So it's the exact same moves, except you have an F prime either in the beginning or in the end. So I might get this backwards because I generally just have it in muscle memory. But this is the bow tie, and you want the bow tie so you're not oriented. Your corners that are not oriented are in the left rear and the front right, and you have the yellow sticker facing you. And you're going to start with your F prime, do the algorithm. Fat R, U, R prime, U prime, fat R prime, F, R. And that'll solve your case. It's closer to speed. So again, it's the same exact algorithm, except your F prime is at the end with the Chameleon. So it's a fat R, U, R prime, U prime, fat R prime, F, R, F prime at speed. And that'll solve your case. Alright, so the last algorithm needed to perform 4-look last layer is your Superman algorithm. It's this guy, and we'll do him next.